You've got mail.
Yes!
Yes. I'm gonna open this box so hard. Well, hello guys. Welcome back to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler, and today I have an unboxing for you. I know you hate these unboxings from the truck, but it's the easiest way for me to get you this little bit of content. So deal with it for now. It's not forever, but just suck it up for now. Those of you that are like, I want to see the knife up close. I get it, me too. But it's coming. Until then, deal with it. My unboxing knife today is the Kershaw Launch 1. Best Kershaw launch in my opinion, short of the Launch 11. No, Launch 11, I believe that's the hawkbill shape. If it's the Launch 11 with the hawkbill shape, that's the one that's the second best or the best. The Kershaw Launch 1 is the best. Just my opinion. My humble opinion. Holy smokes, did this dude take some tape. Alright, let's see here. We're just going to go into the box and hope nothing happens. Right. Let's hope that if he's going to take the time to tape the shit out of it, he's going to take the time to bubble wrap it and protect. I forgot. I bought this and he gave me a watch with it. It's a friggin' Casio. Alright. That's funny. Okay. And it comes with, I believe, an Ontario knife pocket clip. And did he do... He was gonna give me like washers. It was like the dude was like offloading his junk drawer or something. I mean, it was cool. It's like he was being nice, but like I don't know. I appreciate it. Anyways, I bought this on the secondary market, clearly. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a Wee knife. This Wee knife is a popular Wee knife, nonetheless. This popular Wee knife comes with swag, and it comes with the knife. Le knife. Alright, so that was an ugly face, by the way. I could see my face and what I'm doing. I'm like, oh god. Alright, this is actually really cool. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is the Wee Knives Thug. And this titanium, first and foremost, kind of looks like it's like a satin hand finish, which I don't know if that's what it is, but that's what it, like a brush finish, looks fantastic. Holy smokes. Now this is kind of one of those bruiser little tanks, and I love it. You put a freaking come on, focus, you little son of a bitch. You put a freaking lanyard pin in there, and even the lanyard pin's kind of like a dog bone shape. Really cool. We got a stop pin back here. The blade is damn near perfectly centered. This is on thumb studs, non-obtrusive. This is a cool knife. I really like the size of this already. If I had my Durus still, I would compare this to the Durus and we kind of see where that goes. And is this external stops? No. Okay, so next, the action is fantastic. The lockup's coming in at about again, you guys can't focus, like 30%, maybe 20%. Actually close to 20%. There is no back and forth, no up and down. We have this really cool compound grind, like Japanese style tanto, and even the belly has like a slight recurve. I don't know if that's on purpose, but the blade is a hollow grind and a flat grind. Hollow for the flat and flat for the tanto portion. And it is also like a hand-rubbed satin finish. Absolutely gorgeous. So there were so many variations of this. I pick a lot of my stuff up on the secondary. So I'm actually really glad that I got this finish itself. This is freaking gorgeous, guys. And this is a knife that I feel like, because it's a pocket bruiser but small, is super friendly to carry like wherever you want to go. Now, ergonomics, obviously not the best in the world, but as you can see, I am getting 4 fingers on there, and with a hammer grip you can get 4 fingers on there too. It's just the way that it kind of bellies in here, it captures your fingers, and it just kind of smushes your pointer finger in there. And I have narrow fingers, so you can fit 4 fingers. You are smushing. Now, if you kind of choke back on it, not choke back on it, but change your grip, it feels a little bit better. I don't think this is supposed to be the most ergonomic beast, but it is contoured, and it does feel good in hand. It's just not going to be a shaman. The pocket clip is relatively deep carry. It's nice and swoopy, but it does have a pretty large bill. The action, I'm holding the live bar, is pretty awesome. I mean, it's not drop shot yet, but I think it will be. Yeah. This thing is pretty cool. This, guys, is the We Knives Thug. I think everything is the hand satin finish, and it just looks absolutely fantastic. But for those of us that started watching this embarrassingly enough before we really became knife guys, and some of us still like it even though, you know, we probably shouldn't, will it cut? It will absolutely cut. Will it kill? It'll absolutely kill. Alright guys, this is the We Knives Thug. Awesome little piece. Maybe like, so I might compare this in a very weird way almost to the Malice. That's how it feels in hand, like bruiser, contoured scales, you know, not the biggest, but it's like kind of like a bad little dude. Malice is pretty big, but that's what this reminds me of. It reminds me of a mini Malice, and to that point, you guys kind of know where I'm going with this. This I immediately fell in love with in hand, and it feels great. My name is Tyler. This is the We Knives Thug. You guys stay sharp, stay safe. Have a great freaking day, guys. Thank you so much for watching, genuinely. It means the world. Have a good one, guys. Yeah.